It's Saturday after the big snowstorm. We're at Sunnybrook. Boo-boo. It's pretty deep snow. Good girl, Boo-boo, run! Good girl, Boo-boo, run! She's trying. Oh, man, good girl. Get on the path, baby, get on the path. Oh, that's better. Then we got the snake in the grass. Hudson. Huddy. Hudson. Hudson. Wee, 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 wee. He's such a goof.
Yeah, he's getting tired.
Oh, and we have Saren. Say hi, Saren. Saren. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. I think he might sleep for the rest of the day. Hello, Phoebe! Boy, yeah, hello. No, she came over to say hi. It was fine. Phoebe! Phoebe! Oh, be careful, guys. Hudson, be careful.